What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another mall unboxing and review video. I apologize for the slowdown in video content. This is going to be the first one to pop out here in about a week or so. Just busy with work and stuff. Trying to get content when I can. It's tough nowadays though, get out there spotting and whatnot. I'm doing my best. But anyway, got lots of models, so there's going to be a lot of model unboxings and reviews coming up. I'm trying to do every Monday and Saturday. If I kind of don't have as many models, I kind of just go to Mondays only for the model unboxing videos. But right now I have enough models that I can do the two uploads. Saturday and Monday, so keep an eye out for those. I hope you guys are excited. Today, let's get right into this one. We have the JC Wings China Airlines A350-900. First China Airlines A350. I know there's been a lot released, and I don't know why. I realized I was looking through my models and realized I didn't have one, and I know they've been pretty common at LA. So was able to pick this JC version up. I'm sure NG is going to release a version at some point. I know Phoenix has. I think Gemini Jets has even done one. I don't. Maybe not. But either way, I picked up this version, the JC Wings version. It's just a normal one, not the flaps down version. So let's get right into it. Nice box art right here. JC Wings box. Some dimensions and stuff in the back, which is pretty cool. Side and everything. Nothing to really say is JC Wings, but it is. Got this from Easy Toys. It took a while to come. JC Wings is one of those manufacturers that they release models and then they take forever to show up. So yeah, there's them all. Looks pretty good. I'm just gonna open her up. It's gonna be a pretty simple unboxing review. There's not a whole lot to go over with this model. Let's get right into it if I can open this thing up. It is stuck, that's for sure. There we go. Alright. Nice plastic there. Go ahead, take the model out. Very, very nice. Ooh, looks good. Alrighty. Very nice. Okay. This off to the side. Alrighty. So here we have it. I'll adjust the camera here. And we'll get right into this review. China Airlines A350-900 JC Wings. Very nice. Looks pretty good. So start off here. The nose looks a little too slanted in my opinion. I think this area could use some work right here. It looks a little too shallow, in my opinion. This looks a little off. I'm not sure. You got the door here, L1 door. It's got that SkyTeam logo right there. So there's good detail. The gear looks pretty good as well. The registration on the gear there. And you can see there's a little SkyTeam logo again next to the door, and the registration Bravo 18912. It's kind of moving along. Got all the static ports and stuff right here. The detail right there. You got the antennas. Printing the windows looks a little off right here. Kind of looks, I'm not sure. To me, it looks like it's a little wonky. Might just be how I'm looking at it, but moving along. Got the L2 door and China Airlines titles. Little logo there. Got the engines. Looking very, very nice there. See, there's some good detail in it. Not a lot of fan blades, but you can see it's kind of hollow. I wish there was a couple more fan blades packed in there. It would be nice. No idea what that is. Looks like not sure what that is there. Looks like there's some issues there with that window. And then moving along, you got the L3 door, antenna. Moving to the back, registration, bulk bin door, A350-900. And then L4 door there at the back. The Wi-Fi dome there on the top, another antenna. Then moving along to the flower on the tail for the China Airlines sort of, I guess, logo. Taking a look, you know, you got the wingtips looking really nice right here. Good detail there on the inside as well. Over the wings, very plain and simple underneath. Got the registration on this wing. Nothing else. We'll spin around. There's a head-on view. Not too bad on a head-on view. Just looks a slightly off, slightly crooked almost. With the printing, either the printing or the mold. On this side, it's the same thing. You got the baggage doors, all that sort of stuff on this side. So overall, pretty good. Delivery wise, color wise, I think it's a fine model. Take a look at the underneath. You got this pink, very plain, nothing fancy. Looks like a nick in the paint right here. It's interesting. Yeah, it's not the best A350 I have in the collection, I'll tell you that, in terms of the mold and the details. But overall, it's not bad. Could be better. I like the NG version and the Aviation 400 version better. Aviation 400 is released a small. I didn't, this aircraft, like the China Airlines one, I wasn't able to get it, but if they ever do a re-release, I'll probably replace this with that. Either that one or the NG version. But yeah, so there you have it. A very simple review. Not a whole lot to go over. It's a very fairly plain livery, apart from the blue stripes and the purple underbelly and then the flower on the tail. There's not a whole lot else going on. Yeah, these were doing quite a lot of like the back and forth to LA and between Taipei and LA. I think a lot of them were just carrying cargo. And alongside the 777, they vary between the two of them. So just one 350 for now. I know, I'm sure if, you know, as I say, if they're re-released via, if this aircraft is re-released via NG or Aviation 400, I will pick it up. No doubt about it. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one, guys. So yeah, stay tuned for more model unboxing and reviews model unboxing and review videos and other content. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Have a good one, guys. See ya.